थैंक यू। दोस्तों ये थीम सॉन्ग हमारा, इसकी एक विशेषता मैं आपको बता दूं कि जब बम्बई पूरा लॉकडाउन था, मतलब हर दुकान, एवरीथिंग वाज क्लोज, एट दैट टाइम वी कुड प्रिपेयर दिस। तो थैंक्स टू दी पीपल हु हैव वर्कड टू मेक दिस थीम सॉन्ग। इसको दिखाने का खास मकसद यही था। GLP चेयरपर्सन लैंड हीरालाल शर्मा जी, फर्स्ट वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लैंड डॉक्टर ख्वाजा मुदस्सर, सेकंड वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लैंड हेमंत राज सेठिया, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर डॉक्टर दीपक चौधरी, esteemed speakers for today's second leadership seminar, all the micro members, region chairperson, zone chairperson, and all the participants for this second leadership seminar. Good morning. Friends, I'm aware we are running 10 minutes behind the schedule, but ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये लेजी संडे है और लोग धीरे धीरे ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं। जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी कहा था, हमारा एक प्रयास है कि धीरे धीरे अभी हम लोग फिजिकल मीटिंग की ओर बढ़े आगे। और आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट आवर फर्स्ट GLP सेमिनार विच वाज हेल्ड ऑन in the month of September, 20th September, that was also on the physical platform with the same auditorium. We expect that more members will come for this seminar today. I must compliment Hiralal Sharma ji for taking all the efforts and organizing the second seminar over here. This year we want our Leos to participate in all the leadership seminar, and my home club, Leo Club of Magnificent Mahavinagar, President Ashwarya is also here now. So we want that all the Leos should be given benefit of leadership development, and that is why they have been given a special concession. Our Leo District President Viral Gala is also here. I have already requested him. I would like to once again request him, and he motivate all the Leos, because the leadership training is required more for the young Leos, and of course all the Lions who are regularly attending, and we are trying our best to get best of the faculties. And today in this row, today we have three eminent speakers, starting with our Dr. Deepak Chaudhary. He is going to address us on the practical leadership. Our first speaker of today's morning is Sri Subramaniam Iyer, a good friend of mine. He's a corporate trainer, and he will be talking on mental fitness, the game changer. And of course, our third speaker, Dr. Firdaus Shroff, he is a global motivational guru, and is going to talk on Shunya Se Sarjan Tak. He is from our neighboring district A1, right? So welcome everybody, and I will not be taking much of time, and because during the tenure of Deepak Chaudhary ji, we have decided that in all the leadership seminar, only governor will talk, and will not be wasting much of time giving address by the second VDG and first VDG, and I am thankful to our both the vice district governor. They have kindly agreed for it. So not taking much of time, before I call our first faculty for today's morning, I would request Lion Bankim Dalal to kindly formally introduce him.
Good morning, friends. I have been given the responsibility to introduce Sri Subramaniam Iyer ji. Subramaniam Iyer ji is an organizational entrepreneur of 20 years experience with renowned companies like Tata AIG, ICICI Prudential, and Rota India. With notable accomplishment, has enabled him to coach the sales team of his client in the SME sector. As a brilliant keynote speaker on motivation and sales, he had conducted sales executive program as a performance and consultant with Power Training Consulting Services Private Limited. His portfolio knowledge about sales tactics is reflected in his program called Speak to Sale. As a focused corporate trainer, he believes training is not an initiative, but training must be effective. He motivates the sales force to close deals and increase sales in such a way that it instills confidence in the team that leads to even more sales. Working on the principle eliminates the mistake that guarantee you failure. Mr. Subramaniam has trained entrepreneurs in various SMEs and mental sales professionals in corporate guiding them so as to avoid the commonly made mistake. An accomplished trainer, his skills lies in training and average sales employees, potentials and making best sellers out of the talented ones. Few of the punchlines in his trainings that won everyone's heart, like life is simple, not easy. Specific is terrific. Love what you are doing, sales will happen. They the vibe of your life. Let people buy your products. Do not focus on selling. Learn to give. Friends, it's proud privilege to me to introduce Sri Subramaniam Iyer-ji in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I normally move around a lot, so one mic and one place, standing at one place, I may not be so comfortable. So I'm sure the audio is. I'm audible.